Right, in this video we're going to model errors in a race. So it says this error in seconds made by a timekeeper of a 100-meter race may be modeled by the random variable t, probability density function. F of t is 0.25, where t is minus 1.5 to 2.5 or 0 otherwise. It says find that an error is positive, find that the magnitude of the error exceeds 1 second, find that the magnitude of the error is less than 2 seconds. Okay, so we've got f of t is 0.25 between minus 1.5 and 2.5 and 0 otherwise. This is a uniform distribution, continuous uniform distribution. So probability of it being positive, t greater or equal to 0. If we draw the function y is equal to 0.25 and then between minus 1.5 and 2.5 we want it positive, so we want that shaded area there. So the probability that t is greater than 0 means 2.5 minus 0 times 0.25, so 2.5 minus 0 times the height, which is 0.25, which gives me 0.625. Probability an error exceeds, the magnitude of an error exceeds 1 second. So we want the probability that the magnitude exceeds 1 second. So drawing the diagram, we're going to want the probability that t is less than or equal to minus 1, or t is greater than or equal to 1. We need it to exceed 1 second. So it's going to be that area shaded there and that shaded area there. So we can either do 1 minus the middle bit, or we just do minus 1 minus 1.5 times the height, which is 0.25, or 2.5 minus 1 times 0.25. So that gives me 0.5 times 0.25 plus 1.5 times 0.25. So that gives me 0.125 plus 0.375, which gives me a half. We want the probability of the magnitude being less than or equal to 2. So that's going to be the probability that t lies between minus 2 and 2, but we don't go down to minus 2, so we're just going to consider the probability from minus 1.5 to 2 for this particular distribution. Again, it's always a good idea to draw a diagram. So mark on 2, we want that area there. So it's going to be 2 minus 1.5, 2 minus 1.5 times the height, which is 0.25, which gives me 3.5 times 0.25, which gives me 0.875. Okay, so this has been a video to show you how to find errors when measuring a particular race. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.